while speaking the words only, we can know the feelings of others. They are in a sad mood or in a happy mood. Okay, while expressing, we are using the words which is more important in our life. While getting blessings, okay, wishing the Deepavali wishes, Christmas wishes, Ramjan wishes, New Year wishes, we are using certain words. In English we can say wish you a happy Deepavali, okay, like that, God bless you. In Hindi the words are different while we are expressing our feelings. Okay, now we can see the words which are used while we are in different mood, different feelings. Okay, now let us see what words we have to use in Hindi. Okay, here now the words expressed while we are in a happy mood or in a sad mood, like that. Then here first one is Shabas. Okay, Shabas, Badaiya. Okay, Badaiya, तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. Okay, Shabas, Badaiya, तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. Okay, in English we can say it as like Shabas. Okay, Badaiya means congratulations. Okay, congratulations, you did well. You did well. When a student is getting the first rank or getting the first in the running race, okay, while cheering him we can say that Sabas. Okay, Badaiya, तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. Okay, in English same as Shabas, congratulations, you did well. Okay, now let us go to the second one. Badi खुशी हुई. खुशी means happy. Okay, बड़ी खुशी हुई, खुशी की बात है. Okay, बड़ी खुशी हुई, खुशी की बात है means very happy, good news. Okay, while we are receiving a promotion in the office, okay, in that time we can say that बड़ी खुशी हुई, खुशी की बात है, very happy, good news. Then while cheering the student in the sports or in the competitions like that, essay competition, drawing competition, while we are conducting, we can use these words. Kamal kar diya, Kamal kar diya, wah wah. While hearing the songs, we can see in the old cinemas also, while hearing the songs from the poetess, the people says wah wah. Okay, like that, wah wah. Bahut acha. Okay, bahut acha, bahut badhiya. Bahut acha, bahut badhiya. Okay, here in English we can say it as excellent, fantastic. Okay, good, very good, very excellent. Okay, Kamal kar diya, वाह वाह, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Excellent, fantastic, good news, very good, very excellent. Then the next one we can see तुम्हार कल्याण हो, तुम्हारा कल्याण हो, तुम्हारी जय हो. Okay, while receiving blessings from the elders, they can say like that, तुम्हारा कल्याण हो, तुम्हारी जय हो means let goodness be yours. Okay, let goodness be yours, let success be yours. While writing in the exams, okay, we are wishing the children all the best, like that. Same in Hindi, तुम्हार कल्याण हो, तुम्हारी जय हो, let goodness be yours, let success be yours. Okay, then here Bhagwan bala kare. Bhagwan bala kare means God bless you. Okay, while wishing the young children in the birthday times, okay, in the wedding days, the elders can say that God bless you. Like that, here we can say in Hindi as Bhagwan bala kare. Okay, once again see the words. Sabas, badaiya, tumne bahut acha kiya. Okay, in English, Shabas, congratulations, you did well. Here, badi खुशी हुई, खुशी की बात है. Okay, very happy, good news. Then, कमाल कर दिया, वाह वाह. Okay, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया. Then in English we can say it as excellent, fantastic, good, very excellent. Okay, then तुम्हारा कल्याण हो, तुम्हारी जय हो. Okay, let goodness be yours, let success be yours. Then भगवान भला करे. In English we can say it as God bless you. Okay.